In this video, we'll write the balanced net ionic equation for MgO plus HCl. This is magnesium oxide plus hydrochloric acid. First thing we need to do with net ionic equations is balance the molecular equation. So in our molecular equation, I can see there's 2 chlorines here and just 1 here. So I'm going to put a 2 in front of the HCl. Now I have 2 hydrogens. Those are balanced. Looks like everything else is good. So this is our balanced molecular equation. Now we need to write the state for each substance. So with MgO, if you're not sure, you could look that up on a solubility table. So we go down, here's magnesium, and then we're looking for the oxide. There it is. So we go over and down, and you see that I, insoluble. In fact, most of the oxides, they're insoluble in water. Insoluble means it's not going to dissolve or break down into its ions, so it's going to be a solid. Put a little S after our magnesium oxide. Hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. That means it's a strong electrolyte. It'll dissolve, break apart into its ions. That'll be aqueous. Compounds with chlorine, those are soluble. And water, that is a liquid. So we have the states. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into their ions. That'll be the complete ionic equation. So MgO, that's a solid. So we're just going to leave that together. We don't split solids apart in net ionic equations. I'll write the states at the end. Plus hydrogen group 1 on the periodic table is 1 plus, and the chloride ion 1 minus. I have 2 hydrogen ions, and then that 2 goes to everything here. I have 2 chloride ions. So those are the reactants in our net ionic equation. Magnesium group 2, that's 2 plus, we said chloride 1 minus. So I have Mg2 plus I've got 2 of these chloride ions. And then water, we don't split liquids apart in net ionic equations either, so that'll just be H2O. So this is the complete or total ionic equation. Now we can cross out spectator ions. They're on both sides of that complete ionic equation. They haven't changed. We're not interested in them. On the reactant side, the only thing I see that's the same in the reactants and the products are these chloride ions. 2 chloride ions here, and the products, 2 chloride ions. So I'm going to cross those out. And what's left will be the net ionic equation for MgO plus HCl. I'll clean it up and write the states in. We'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the balanced net ionic equation for MgO plus HCl, magnesium oxide plus hydrochloric acid. You'll note that charge is conserved. We have 2 times 1 plus, so we have 2 plus on the reactant side, 2 plus on the product side. So that's balanced. And then if you count the atoms up, you'll have the same number on each side. So mass is conserved as well. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.